Hello, Jumpstart friends! So today we read our story, The Little Red Hen Makes a Pizza. And today we are going to be learning a little bit more about going grocery shopping. So I know in our story, the Little Red Hen went to the grocery store quite a few times. So do we remember what all she needed? So I remember in the beginning that she needed a pizza pan because she did not have one that was round or flat that could make a pizza. So she needed a pizza pan. And then I remember that she also needed some flour. She had all of those lovely things, but no flour. And then, friends, I remember the last thing that she needed was mozzarella cheese. We can see in her fridge that she has some cheese, but no mozzarella. So she had quite a few things that she had to go back to the store to get. The Little Red Hen did not plan out everything that she needed to buy when she started making her pizza. And then she started making her pizza and then realized she didn't have all the ingredients to make it. So she had to go back to the store and get those ingredients. So friends, is there something that we think the Little Red Hen could have done so she wouldn't have had to go to the store all of those times? Well, friends, I know that when we cook something like pizza, we can follow a recipe card so we can see what ingredients we will need. And then after we know what ingredients we need, we can check our kitchen cupboards, we can check our refrigerator, and see what we have and what we don't have. Then, when we know all of the things that we don't have, we can make a list. So the Little Red Hen should have made a list so she knew what she had to get when she went to the grocery store. So friends, I have my very own grocery list right here. So first on our grocery list, we have the Little Red Hen's pizza pan because that was the first thing that she needed to get. And then friends, on our second item is flour because she didn't have any flour. And then third, we have mozzarella cheese. So she needed pizza pan, flour, and mozzarella cheese. So she would go to the supermarket and get her food, and when she went to the supermarket, she could have brought her list, her grocery list, and she would have known what she needed to get when she was there. So friends, when she went to the supermarket, which is a supermarket is just a big store that has food, but they also have items like pans that we use to cook food in. So the Little Red Hen went to different stores to get all of her items, but she probably would have been able to find everything in a big supermarket. So friends, I have some things that I need to go get some more of, and I'm going to put on my list. So first thing that I'm going to need to get more of is some rolled oats. So this is so I can make some yummy, yummy oatmeal for my breakfast. So I'm going to make sure that I put this on my list because it is empty and I need to get more of it. The second thing that I need to get more of, friends, is milk. So this might look a little bit different than your milk because I drink almond milk, but this is milk. So my container is empty, so I need to go and get some more milk. So I will put that on my list as well. Then, friends, I need some more cereal. So I am all out of cereal, so I need to go get some more cereal, which this is just toasted oats, which are kind of like Cheerios, if you know Cheerios. And then, friends, the last thing I'll need to go get is some snack mix. So these are just some cheddar bunnies and some pretzels and some other things mixed in there as well. So I do not have any left of these, so I need to make sure I put it on my list so I can go pick it up when I go to the grocery store. So friends, now we can go and learn a little bit more about lists with Miss Rebecca and see what Miss Rebecca puts on her grocery list.
Hi friends, so today I'm going to the grocery store or the supermarket and I'm going to buy some very specific groceries for my lunch. So I've decided that I want to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So I decided to make a list so I don't forget any of the ingredients I need. So at the top of my list, I'm going to write Miss Rebecca's grocery list. And the first thing that I need for my sandwich is definitely bread. So I wrote bread. Next, I need peanut butter. Of course, I need jelly. I decided I'm going to get grape jelly. And I'm going to add some fruit as well. So I'm going to write strawberries and lastly, blueberries. So here is Miss Rebecca's finished grocery list. So I have bread, peanut butter, jelly, specifically grape, strawberries, and blueberries. What are some things you would add to my list? Wow, those are some great choices. Now I have a question. When you go shopping, where do you pay for the things that you buy? That person is called the cashier. And there are cashiers at every grocery store. So Miss Rebecca is going to try to draw a picture. So I'm going to draw the table, and usually they're behind there, the cashier. And I'm going to draw the machine where they put all your money. And I'm going to draw me on the other side. And I'm going to be handing the cashier the money for my groceries. And I'm going to draw my grocery bags as well. So here is a picture of a cashier. So this would be the cashier, and this is where they put your money, and that little thing right here, this machine, and this is Miss Rebecca, and these are her groceries. So I hope the next time you go to the grocery store, you could find the cashier. Bye, friends!
Okay, friends, I'm so glad to see you back. And so I know you just learned a little bit more about lists with Miss Rebecca. So I know that in our story, Little Red Hen didn't use a list, although she should have. So she did not plan for everything that she might need to make her pizza, which is why she had to make a lot of shopping trips to find what she needed and go to a lot of different stores instead of just one big supermarket. So friends, I want you to think back to some things that you might like to eat for dinner and think about what are some things that you might need in order to have that. So I know that I love spaghetti and meatballs, so if we had to make a grocery list to go get some spaghetti and meatballs, here is what it might look like. So I have my grocery list up here, grocery list, and it says spaghetti noodles, pasta sauce, and meatballs. So if I had to go to the store to get all of my ingredients, I would need spaghetti noodles, pasta sauce, and meatballs. So that is what my list might look like if I went to go get some ingredients for my spaghetti and meatballs. So friends, today you are going to learn or hear all about how to make your very own grocery list with our friend Miss Jennifer in our centers. But that is it for today for our Let's Find Out About It. I hope you had a lot of fun learning with me and Miss Rebecca about the grocery store and how we need to make sure we're making lists before we go.